Before I even set up, I'll always ask my customer ahead of time, hey, can I get a copy of your invitation? And then based off of the invitation, I'll use those design elements to make my new, my screen, my photo strip, as well as my GIF. So let's get started with a custom size. And what I'm going to be using I'm going to be using a 1080 by 1920 design. So I'm just going to use this. Let's go here. This is actually reversed. So we'll do 1920. Since my monitor is horizontal, I'm going to switch these over and hit resize. So their customers, their design is like purple with confetti, black balloons, and it's Rebecca's 21st birthday. So those are the elements that I'm going to be using. So first things first, I'm going to click over here in elements, click here to search elements, and I'm going to type in purple background. So that's what they have on their invitation. This looks perfect. And now what I'm going to do is just fill this up, get that going. All right, so that's my background. Now I'm going to hit text and I'm going to create Rebecca. I'm going to change this font to, let's see what this looks like. That's perfect. Rebecca's. And then we'll add another 21st birthday. We'll change that text. Okay, this looks pretty good. And then she did want black balloons on there. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to elements, black balloons. And then she also did want confetti on there too. So I'll add some of these elements here. Another one for the other side. So it looks balanced. And keep in mind on this top left side and the top right hand side, you're going to have your gallery here. And then you're going to have your exit button on the top right hand side. So leave those areas blank, okay? Now that we're done, my screen is complete. I'm going to hit share, download, and then I can save this, hit download. And then I did forget some of the gold confetti, so I'll just put gold confetti. Grab some of those, throw that in there. Looks nice and festive. Position, send back. Oops, that looks good. All right, so that's like just a rough draft of what we're going to be seeing on the main screen. I'm just going to hit the same thing. I'm going to hit share, download, download,